Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Salesforce CRM to your Read AI account. So let's begin. First, go to the official website, log into your account. Then on the left panel, just click on integrations. Okay. Now scroll down. The Salesforce CRM is going to be at the bottom part. Okay. Here it is. So currently it's showing it's not connected, but you can click on connect. It will just ask permissions and for your login information or your credentials. So uh, provide login. It's just like the usual process of getting authorization, like from Gmail. Click continue. They might ask for some verification. Then once done, Read AI will show in here that your Salesforce has been connected. It will show something similar to this. Okay, in which you also have the option to disconnect it if you don't want it anymore. But linking Salesforce CRM to Read AI lets you automatically sync meetings, insights, notes, and action items directly into your Salesforce records. This greatly helps streamline sales workflows, reduce manual data entry, and keeps your CRM up to date with accurate customer interactions. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.